Wialon, we are happy to meet with our partners and friends at the Telematics Vilnius 2022 conference. We have around 200 participants here, coming from more than 40 countries from all over the world. It is the first event of such scale that Wialon holds in Vilnius, its main headquarters and an emerging sport on the IT map. During 2 days, the city becomes a venue, hosting the best of the best in the global telematics community. Live discussions, powerful case studies, networking, Wialon annual awards, including Wialon Top Partners 2022 rankings and GPS hardware manufacturers top 10. And parties for sure. That is only a part of a substantive agenda offered by Telematics Vilnius 2022. A positive atmosphere, deep dive debates, and a lot of fun are granted.
Can talk about solutions or listen to how other people are using Wialon as a solution in their countries.
It's absolutely amazing seeing so many different vendors that are actually able to integrate with one platform. It's just a game changer for what customers actually need and want now from telematics.
So I get to talk to other partners on what they're doing, compare notes on what is happening in the different markets, and more so to look at what we should be preparing for in the future.
Telematics Vilnius conference is a very great idea to find new partners.